What's up everybody? Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Pops. Today we are going to cook jerk fish. This is our second jerk recipe. We have made a jerk chicken recipe before, and if you want to see that, we'll leave a link at the bottom of the video. These are the ingredients we'll be using for today's recipe. For the full list of ingredients, please look at the bottom of the video. To begin, we'll blend a bunch of ingredients to make a good jerk paste. We'll start by putting a cup of oranges, half a cup of mango paste, half a cup of tamarind sauce, a tablespoon of garlic, a tablespoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of black salt, a tablespoon of allspice, a tablespoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of dried mint, 1 Scotch Bonnet Pepper, 1 teaspoon of coriander paste, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. We will blend this now and make a nice paste. Now we'll start blending for about a minute. Looks like it's blended okay. Now the jerk paste is blended, and I'm going to put it in stainless steel bowl so you can have a look at the consistency. Smells good. Now I'm going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. We have two types of fish. One is Basa steak, which has bones inside, and we have cod fillets. These are boneless. We have approximately 2 pounds of fish in total. I'm going to put corn oil in the pan and prepare it to put the fish in this. Okay, so we'll dip the fish in the sauce. Put them here. Now I'm going to dip the steaks. Dip the fish nice and proper, and so that it holds enough of this paste. We'll bake this fish for 15 minutes in the oven. So now I'm putting it in the oven. This is a tablespoon of corn starch. Anytime you want to use corn starch, always mix it with water. It's about half a cup of water, and I'm mixing the corn starch, and it's liquidy now. Now we'll cook the remainder of the jerk paste. We'll start by cooking at high heat. I'll put oil first. We'll let the oil heat up before we add the jerk paste. So oil is now hot, and I'm going to put jerk paste inside. We'll let it cook on high heat for a few minutes. This is the corn starch we put in water. I'm going to put this in the jerk paste. This makes the jerk paste thick. You keep on stirring so it blends very good, and you get the best result out of it. Now you can see how it's getting thicker. I'm going to reduce the temperature and let it cook on the low temperature for a while. So all the ingredients that are inside, they are not cooked, so we have to cook it for a few minutes, like about 4 or 5 minutes totally, and it will make nice paste which we are going to use to mix it with the fish. So I'm going to turn this off and let it be on the heat for a little while. It looks like it's nicely cooked and nice and thick. You can see how thick it is. And that's how it should be. So it's 15 minutes now and I'm going to take out the fish. It's been 15 minutes and I'm just going to see how well it's cooked inside. It looks just fine. It's nice and soft. All over it's nice and soft. So it's cooked nice. I'm going to put one fish fillet on the rice for taste test later. And I'll put some of this gravy, thick gravy on top. And some on the side here. Remainder of the fish we'll split it separately. I'm going to add some extra jerk sauce on top for flavor. This is our finished jerk fish ready to eat. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give us a thumbs up. Also write yummy yummy in the comments. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so and hit the bell button so you are notified each time we post a new recipe. And please share this video with all of your friends. Until next time. Now we'll do the taste test and see how it's come out. There we go. This is the fillet of cod we are eating.
Yummy!
It really turned out good. You should try it.